Tools are an integral part of everyday life, and often they are used without fully recognizing the potential danger they may pose. At work and at home, it is important to take great care to properly use and maintain all tools, as most tool-related accidents occur due to improper use or maintenance. It is important to pay close attention to the condition of tools before they are used, and to be aware of potential dangers in the work area before starting a job. For example, failure to take notice of the condition of a tool, such as a splintered shaft on a hammer, may result in the head flying off and injuring yourself or others. This course is designed to help inform you and raise awareness about some of the dangers associated with hand and power tools that many people work with every day.